Formentera has an ambience and appearance a world away from most Mediterranean destinations. The beaches look almost tropical, like the kind you'd find in the Caribbean, with turquoise waters and sugar-white sand. The entire northern peninsula is one giant sandbank, interrupted only occasionally by rocky banks and tussock top dunes. There are few places like it, which is why it's been repeatedly voted as one of the best beaches in the world. Not many people have heard of Formentera, even though it is so close to the well-known Ibiza. Formentera is a small island south of Ibiza, which can be reached by boat and which is wilder and more beautiful than any island in Europe. To get about Formentera's unspoiled interior, you can hire a bike for the day and then be free to set off along dusty tracks that snake through little whitewashed hamlets. Second option is to use the tourist bus that you can also hop on from the port. Usually it is a queue for renting, but not a long one for the bus. It leaves shortly after the ferry arrives, so you have time to get on. As you go, you'll never be more than a few hundred meters from the coast and another immaculate sandy beach. Formentera is a great place to take a walk either by the coast or inland. You'll see some breathtaking views from fields or cliff tops and stand in awe at the beauty you find. The presence of numerous beaches, small coves, and enchanted places will soon make you forget stress and everyday problems. Many people like to hike to the old lighthouses, some seek out ancient caves, and all go to watch the incredible sunset. The sea, with its clear waters, is perfect for snorkeling or diving. An amazing kaleidoscope of marine life bursts out just under the surface of the water. The quality and transparency of Formentera's waters is due to the presence of the biggest area of Posidonia seagrass in the Mediterranean Sea that covers the seabed. These underwater grasses are protected by the Ses Salines Nature Park that extends from Ibiza. Ses Salines was once the center of Formentera's salt industry, which is now no more, but the pretty pink reflecting salt flats remain. The limited development on the island is what keeps the island unspoiled. On Formentera you won't find any tall buildings, not on the beaches nor in the resorts. A plan to promote more and more electric scooters and cars, even in the public sector, and put a brake on cars entering will help to keep Formentera special for tourists. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
you.